So I want to talk about something a little serious. The Wall Street Journal released an article titled, "Americans See Their 401k Not Just as a Nest Egg, but as a Rainy Day Fund." So it sounds really harmless at first until you realize what that means. In 2023, 5% of Americans withdrew early from their 401k, and another 33% cashed out their entire balance when they changed jobs. Now think about that. Years and years and decades of saving totally wiped out, penalties, taxes included. So what's the real problem here? It's not just early withdrawals, it's the entire structure of the 401k model. So let's talk about this 401k trap we've been sold. And we've been sold on this idea that 401ks are the smart path. But here's the reality. Your money's locked up. You're taxed later at an unknown rate. If you need cash before 59 and a half, you're penalized. You have no control. So Wall Street and the IRS are dictating all these rules. Maybe the worst of all is your capital stops growing for you the second you pull it out and use it. So that's called opportunity cost, and that adds up really, really fast. Now, let's look at like the hidden cost. Number one, uninterrupted compounding. Let's say you take 50K from your 401k in your 30s. You're not just losing 50K, you're losing what you could have earned on that 50K over the next 30 years. Assuming just modest compounding return, that's like 200K in lost future value. Now, multiply that by several job changes, family emergencies, market crashes, and you see the problem. A plan that penalizes you for using your own money, and it punishes you for needing liquidity. And it's not a wealth building strategy. Let's look at what smart investors are doing instead. So what are high income earners and business owners doing differently? They're shifting from accumulation only accounts like 401k to strategies that provide them control, tax advantages, liquidity. The most effective system I've seen uses that structure that keeps your capital growing with guaranteed compounding and gives you a tax-free access via private contracts. And it also protects your assets from creditors and lawsuits, and it lets you leverage those dollars without interrupted growth. You're not only chasing returns, it's about like the velocity and the safety and having access. So banks use this strategy, business owners use it, and now more and more professionals or high W-2 earners are doing it as well. Now here's the thing. I'm not saying 401ks are evil. If your company gives you a match, take the match. That's free money. But after that, you owe it to yourself to explore something more efficient. There's a way to store your capital where it compounds and stays accessible, where you can earn on that money while you're using it, where you've got total control. If you want to see how it works, drop me a DM and grab a spot, and I'd be happy to talk to you about it. Because the more you understand this, the more you realize the old way of these antiquated 401ks where you have no control don't work. There's a new way. It's here. It's extremely advantageous, especially when life throws you a curveball. I'd love to talk to you about it.